Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing about some of the unanswered questions about the movie Joker. Anchored by Joaquin Phoenix's electrifying performance, the movie was incredibly compelling. However, it left no answers for viewers with so many possibilities, seemingly left up to the audience to decide. Almost a year after its release, there are still some big questions about Joker people are still asking. Was Arthur's sign really stolen? Arthur always says that he was put on this earth to bring a smile to people's faces. He attempts to do that through his job as a clown who helps advertise businesses on the street. In the opening scene of the film, Arthur has his ad sign stolen by some teens who proceed to beat him up. When Arthur explains what happened to his boss, the man doesn't seem to believe the story. Arthur is incredulous that he would think that was a made-up story, but given what is revealed later in the film, could this be an early reveal that Arthur does have a strong grasp of reality? Will Bruce become Batman? Though this is the story of Joker, Bruce Wayne does make a brief appearance. He is seen as a young boy, and like countless other iterations of his own origin story, his parents are killed in front of him at the end of the film. It's unclear if we are meant to believe this young Bruce Wayne grew up to become Batman. If this is true, then would his arch-enemy Joker to be at least 30 years older than him? Did Arthur kill Sophie? The very talented Zazie Beetz has a small supporting role in the film as Sophie, Arthur's kind neighbor who is also a single mother. Throughout the film, we see Arthur and Sophie becoming closer, and she seems to be the only positive influence in his life. As his world begins to crumble, he sneaks into Sophie's apartment and surprises her. It is then revealed their entire relationship has been in Arthur's head this whole time. The scene cuts to Arthur returning to his own apartment, and we never see Sophie again. Did Arthur kill her or simply leave? Did Arthur kill the nurse? Following the riots at the end of the film and Arthur's escape from custody, the film abruptly cuts to Arthur's inside some sort of asylum. He sits across from a nurse and laughs hysterically. When she asks him what's so funny, he replies that she wouldn't get it. The film ends with Arthur strolling out of the room, leaving bloody footprints. Are we meant to believe that he has killed this nurse? Is Arthur the real Joker? Well, this film was marketed as the origin of the Batman's greatest villain Joker. Many fans pointed out that it's hard to believe Arthur Fleck would one day be the clown prince of crime. Arthur is a timid, awkward man who accidentally inspires the riots rather than causing them himself. He is far from a criminal genius, so some fans have theorized that Arthur isn't actually the Joker from regular Batman lore, but rather than the real Joker took inspiration from Arthur. Given that the film doesn't hint at that, we are to believe Arthur is the only real Joker? So what do you think about the movie? Do share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much.